Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with RocketReach for verified LinkedIn prospecting, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the RocketReach website. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner. Click the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will find options to register using your email or a Google account. If using your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the required criteria. Complete any additional fields, including your name and company information. Read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, if prompted. After filling in the required information, click the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once confirmed, return to the RocketReach website and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Complete any additional profile information to enhance your experience. To begin using RocketReach for LinkedIn prospecting, navigate to the search bar on your dashboard. Enter the name or details of the prospect you are looking for. Utilize the filters available to narrow down your search effectively. Once you find your prospect, click on their profile to view their information. Take note of their LinkedIn profile link for your outreach efforts. You can also explore additional contact details provided by RocketReach. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features to maximize your prospecting efforts. Always ensure you keep your account information secure and updated. This guide will help you efficiently register and start using RocketReach for verified LinkedIn prospecting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.